In this video we are going to install Visual Studio. So just search for Visual Studio and open the first link. You can download Visual Studio to 2022, the latest version, which is available on the Visual Studio official website. But if you want older version of Visual Studio, just scroll a little bit down and you see the option of older downloads. Just click on that button and select which version you want to download. I am going to download Visual Studio 2019. When I click on the download button, it shows me different versions of Visual Studio, that is Enterprise, Professional, Community. Okay, I'm going to install Visual Studio Professional. Just click the download button and the installation setup is downloaded onto your machine. Just double click on the setup you just downloaded. It will install the Visual Studio installer, and Visual Studio installer helps you to install the required tools for Flutter development. It takes some time to install. Okay, after installation you will see this type of window. In this window, in this workload, you just need to install desktop development with C++, and these options are by default checked. Just click on the desktop development with C++ and click install. This installer now install all the tools required for the Flutter setup. It takes a lot of time, for about 20-25 minutes for downloading and installing the packages which you just select. uh, okay, I just fast forward the installation. My installation is almost done. Okay, once your installation is done, just close this Visual Studio installer window. Okay, in the previous videos we see some issues when we run Flutter Doctor command. We run it again after installing Visual Studio. Let's see we found any issue or not. If no issue is found, then the Flutter setup is completed, the Flutter installation is completed. See, there is no issue found. You just completed all the steps which are required to install Flutter.